Hey kids! Have you ever wondered where the wind comes from, how rain starts, or why storms happen? Today, we're going to explore these weather wonders in a fun and simple way. Let's get started. How wind forms. Wind is just air moving around. But why does it move? It's because of the sun. The sun heats up the earth, but not evenly. Some places get really hot, and some stay cooler. When air in a hot place rises, cooler air from nearby rushes in to take its place. That rushing air is what we call wind. Fun fact: the stronger the rush, the faster the wind. Hurricanes can have winds so strong they can push cars. How rain forms. Rain starts with tiny water drops in the air. The sun heats up water from oceans, rivers, and lakes, turning it into vapor. This vapor rises into the sky and forms clouds. When the clouds get too full and heavy with water, the drops fall back to earth as rain. Fun fact: rain falls faster than you think, about 20 miles per hour. How storms form. Now, storms happen when wind and rain team up. Warm, moist air rises quickly into the sky and meets cooler air. This causes strong winds, heavy rain, and sometimes even thunder and lightning. Fun fact: did you know lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun? That's why it looks so bright. Activity idea. Want to make your own storm? Try this experiment. Fill a clear glass with warm water. Add some shaving cream on top to act as a cloud. Drop blue food coloring on the cloud and watch as rain falls into the water below. Now you know how wind, rain, and storms form. Isn't the weather amazing? Next time you feel the wind or see rain, you'll know the science behind it.